Well, hello everyone. Hello Chris. We're just travelling through, where are we? Mount Pleasant. And we're going to go for a ride through to Monato. And then double back a little bit to Monato, where there's a free campsite, and we're going to camp the night. And exciting news, I've got a drone. But before we really start this video, please remember to go to the end screen and to see if I'm promoting your YouTube channel. So we're riding through to Palma on one of my most favourite roads, and I'm just lucky enough to have a few days off. So I rang Chris, said let's go and camp for the night, and he was free, so off we go. Tomorrow morning, hopefully, we're going to go to Monato Wildlife Safari Park. I think it's one of the biggest open range zoos in Australia. But Monato, where we're camping tonight, is only a little town just next to the safari park, or not far from the safari park, and there's only about 200 people that live in the town, and we're going to camp in their recreational sporting area. This road here, Chris, is fabulous. Let's go and have some fun. I love this road, Chris. On a motorbike, it's just heaven. Heaven on a stick. Oh, this is just lovely, this road. So this is Palma, where I stayed in the olive grove for one night. It was a lot of fun. Quite a nice little place, really. So very quiet little place to live here. Oh, now that's where I camped, in there, amongst the olives. Okay guys, shortly we're going to come into Monato, a little historic town just near the Monato Zoo, a free-range zoo. And Monato, there's about 202 people, and they're mainly hobby farmers. So this looks like Monato here. A few houses dotted here and there, a church. Now years ago, the South Australian government planned to put a satellite city out here at Monato, but it never happened. So here's our little campsite here in the heart of Monato. Looks like we got plenty of places to pick from to camp. What about here? Well, here it is, the free campsite at Monato. Chris has got his bike in reverse. I didn't know it had reverse, Chris. So you can stay here up to 2 nights for free. There's toilets over there. I think there's barbecues over there. There's a playground for Chris, because as you remember in our old the video I just did, he loved the Monash playground. Let's set up camp, shall we? Hello. The following footage is going to be of me attempting to fly the drone. I'm really nervous because it is quite windy, if you can see in the trees up there. However, this is a little sheltered area here. I've never flown a drone outside in my life, and I'm going to try it now.
Oh, it went up.
It's a success. The 0x Swift Plus.
Well, that's a bit of fun. I'll give it that. Hello.
How'd you sleep?
Yeah, not too bad. How about you?
Very good. Nice night. Not too cold. So, yeah, okay. How come nearly every campground we stay on, there's a main road just there? So you try and sleep and you're just nodding off, and then a car comes past. But other than that, it was good. And today it's going to be 33, so a warm day. And just next door to this place is the Monato Zoo. It's a wildlife zoo, so it's a big one where there's African animals, you know, all the giraffes and that sort of stuff. So let's go and have a look, shall we? Here, so we're about to go into the park. Okay guys. I think that was amazing. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
We saw lions, rhinos, giraffes, hyenas. What else? Chimpanzees. They were fantastic. Meerkats. Ostriches. Oh, we saw a cheetah, one cheetah. Wild dogs. It's a fabulous place. If you're ever anywhere in South Australia, please come. It's run by volunteers mainly, and they do a magnificent job, don't they?
Yeah.
They're really good. Well, thank you for coming, guys. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you next time.
Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.
Remember to look at the end screen and see which YouTube channel I'm promoting this time.